Cha-cha-licious! It's the first day of summer, and that means Peter, Mommy, and Daddy and I are going to Mr. Swizzle's ice cream shop for Swizzle Summer Sundays.
1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Plum.
Hi!
Hi! Hello, Pinkertons. Cha-cha-cha. Getting Sundays. Cha-cha-cha.
Yes, our first Swizzle Summer Sundays of the year. I can't wait. What are you doing?
We're cha-chaing our way to cha-cha class.
What's cha-cha?
The cha-cha is a dance from Cuba with a special rhythm that goes like this. Front, together, step, step, step. Side, together, step, step, step. Back, together, cha-cha-cha. Side, together, cha-cha-cha.
Nice moves.
That looks fun.
Front, together, step, step, step. Side, together, step, step, step. Back, together, cha-cha-cha. Side, together, cha-cha-cha. Woo, you got the rhythm, Pinkalicious.
If you ever forget the steps, just remember the rhythm. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha.
3, 4, cha-cha-cha.
We'll come back, cha-cha-cha, for our Sundays, cha-cha-cha. After class, cha-cha-cha.
Okay, let's go get our Swizzle Summer Sundays.
Swizzle Sundays, cha-cha-cha. Yummy, yummy, cha-cha-cha. Hi, Mr. Swizzle.
Hi, Pinkertons. Oh, I'm so sorry. The shop is closed.
Closed?
Yes, I'm afraid my blender just broke, and I needed to make my Swizzle milkshakes. I have to go home and find my spare blender.
But it's the first day of summer, Mr. Swizzle.
Everyone in Pinkville will be coming in for their Swizzle Summer Sundays.
And Swizzle milkshakes. Can't have an ice cream store without milkshakes. I'm sorry to disappoint you, but I can't leave the store unattended.
Wait. You mean we're not going to have Swizzle Summer Sundays?
Well, I'm the only one who knows how to make them.
What if you show us how to make them, Mr. Swizzle? Then we'll run the shop while you go get your blender.
You will?
We will?
Sure we will. It'll be so much fun.
Thank you. I would love some help.
Yes!
Here you go. Put these on and come behind the counter. First, we need someone to take the orders from customers.
Oh, I can do that.
Magnificent! Then, we need someone to scoop the ice cream.
I can do that.
Bravo! Next, and this is a big job, someone needs to put on all the sundae toppings.
Me! That's a Pinka perfect job for me!
Excellent, Pinkalicious! The toppings are the secret to my famous Swizzle Summer Sundae. First, you drizzle Swizzle syrup around the scoop like this. Next, you add a spoonful of Swizzle sprinkles. Now we add whipped cream, just a dollop. And the last ingredient is my Swizzle Crunch.
Whoa, that's a lot to remember.
You can do it, Pinkalicious. You just have to find your rhythm.
What's my job, Mr. Swizzle?
You, Peter, have the super Swizzle job of putting a cherry on top of each sundae.
Ooh!
Go ahead, try it. Now, I must go find my blender. I'll be back soon. Thank you, Pinkertons.
Don't you worry, Mr. Swizzle. We can handle this.
Pinkalicious, what are you doing back there?
We're filling in for Mr. Swizzle today.
You got to work at the ice cream shop? That is so cool!
What can we get you?
1 Swizzle Summer Sundae, please, for me and my mom to share.
1 Swizzle Summer Sundae coming up.
1 dish of ice cream.
Here we go. First the syrup, then the sprinkles. Whoops! Sorry, Peter.
Absolutely no problem.
Let me try that again. Now, the whipped cream. I'm forgetting something. Oh, the Swizzle Crunch. There we go. and the cherry on top.
Wow, thank you.
This is pretty fun.
Nice job, Pinkertons.
Pinkalicious? What are you doing behind the ice cream counter? We're helping out Mr. Swizzle. What can we get you? 3 Swizzle Summer Sundaes, please.
Here you go, Pinkalicious.
Syrup. Sprinkles. Ooh, another one. Oh, another one. Syrup, sprinkles. Are our sundaes ready? Almost. Mr. Crunk? I didn't know vice principals liked ice cream. Neither did I.
1 Swizzle Summer Sundae, please, Mrs. Pinkerton.
Right away, Mr. Crunk.
Here you go, Pinkalicious.
I'm not finished with these yet. Oh, but I can't keep Mr. Crunk waiting. He's the vice principal. Pinkalicious, these barely have any Swizzle Crunch. That's my favorite part. Oops, let me fix those. Sure, why not? Eek! Gummy worms! Sorry, Kendra. If you wait just a minute. Oh, no. More ice cream?
Do you have Mr. Crunk's sundae, Pinkalicious?
I'm working on it.
3 more Swizzle sundaes.
3 more? I better go faster. Oh, wait. I've already got whipped cream on that one. Uh-oh, it's too much. Oh, no. More? Pinkalicious?
Excuse me, Pinkalicious. I believe you forgot the syrup.
Oh, I can fix that, Mr. Crunk. Oh, no. I'm so sorry, Mr. Crunk.
It's okay, Pinkalicious. No harm done.
Is everything okay, Pinkalicious?
No, Daddy, it's terrible. There's so many sundaes to make, I can't keep up. And now I've ruined them all and made a big mess. I even scolded Mr. Crunk.
This isn't what
This
I
isn't the way
ordered.
Mr. Swizzle does it.
Mine has no toppings.
Could you give us a minute, please, everybody? Hey, Pinkalicious. It's okay. Let's just take a breath.
Thanks, Daddy. But there are so many customers. I'm trying to make the sundae so fast, I keep making mistakes.
You're new at this, Pinkalicious. Don't worry. You'll find your rhythm.
That's just what Mr. Swizzle said.
We're back. Cha-cha-cha.
1, 2, cha-cha-cha. 3, 4, cha-cha-cha.
2 sundaes, please. Cha-cha-cha.
With tons of whipped cream, cha-cha-cha.
And extra cherries, cha-cha-cha.
Ooh, that cha-cha rhythm is so catchy.
It is. Cha-cha-cha. Hey, wait a minute. I can use the cha-cha rhythm to help me make sundaes. Swizzle syrup, cha-cha-cha. Sprinkle, sprinkle, cha-cha-cha. Squirt, squirt, cha-cha-cha. Swizzle crunch, cha-cha-cha. Whoa, Pinkalicious. This looks just like Mr. Swizzle's sundaes. Wow, it actually does. The cha-cha's working. The rhythm makes it so much easier to make sundaes. This one's for Mr. Crunk.
This is delicious, Pinkalicious.
Thank you, cha-cha-cha. I think I found my rhythm. Swizzle syrup, cha-cha-cha. Sprinkle, sprinkle, cha-cha-cha. It's like I'm doing the cha-cha with the ice cream. Pink, imagine that! Front, together, step, step, step. Side, together, step, step, step. Back, together, cha-cha-cha. cha-cha-cha. Pineapple chunks, cha-cha-cha. Coconut balls, cha-cha-cha. Chocolate pretzels, cha-cha-cha.
Yummy, yummy, cha-cha-cha.
Here's your sundae, cha-cha-cha.
This isn't a Swizzle Summer Sundae? This is even better! And look at all these happy customers! This is amazing!
Delicious.
Well done, Pinkertons!
We couldn't have done it without the cha-cha.
This is so good, I'm gonna name it after you, Pinkalicious, and your dance! May I present the Cha-Cha-licious Sundae!
Cha-cha-cha! My cha-cha sundaes came out sweet once I used the cha-cha beat.
My name's Elena, and today me and my friends are going to be playing with Latin musical instruments.
Latin music is any music that comes from Latin America.
Music has always just been there in my family. Latin music is like a type of music that it has like lots of rhythm. What are those? Maracas. These are castanets. This is a higher sound. Hit it.
This drum is called a conga, and it's a little bit high. This one is very deep. It sounds like an elephant stomping down.
Hey everybody, we should try to play a cha-cha.
Me gusta!
That's good. We'll play it. My life is just music, and it's always been there, and it always will